Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix too many strike due to community guideline strike. You cannot upload videos at the time on YouTube. So if you are seeing the message on YouTube, it means that your account has accumulated multiple community guideline strikes. And through this video, I'm going to show you what you can do to solve the situation. Before you fix the problem, you need to understand the community guidelines of YouTube's. So you can review YouTube's community guidelines to understand what led to the strikes, and this will help you avoid similar issues in the future. So if you want to check the details of the strikes, you can go to your YouTube studio and dashboard, and in here you can see the active community guideline strikes. So each strikes to have an explanation and a link to the specific video or content that violated the guidelines, such as the one that I have in here on my channel. So this is the video or the content and what kind of guidelines that I violated, or this is the policy and the actions in here. So if you believe a strike was issued in error, you can navigate to the YouTube studio and find the video or content that received a strike. You can click on appeal and submit your case. So in my case in here, you can see if you think you made a mistake, you can appeal this decision. So what you need to just click on take action in here. And in here, you can click on take action again. And you can see what do you want to do. You can take training or appeal the decision. So YouTube will take another look at your content, and you can always appeal later even after taking the training. You can also do the training first and then make an appeal. So you can just tap on this submit appeal after that. So the community guideline strike typically expire after 90 days if no further violations occur, and during this time focus on adhering strictly to the guidelines to avoid additional strikes. So you need to also educate yourself. So watch YouTube videos about policy educations in the Creator Academy to do better understand the rules. You can use this YouTube Academy on the dashboard. And you can also consider other channels or content platforms. If the ban severely impacts your workflow, you can explore uploading content to a backup channel if you have one. And you can also diversify by using other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Vimeo. You can also reach out to YouTube support. If you are part of the YouTube partner program, you can contact the YouTube support directly for assistance. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.